places on Earth with the bluest water. Our world is full with beautiful water colors, ranging from the vivid blue of Greece's Ionian Islands to the brilliant turquoise of the Maldives. Dive into the Great Barrier Reef's captivating depths where the beautiful blue-green sheen of the seas beckons. Travel to the isolated beaches of Bora Bora where the lagoons reflect the sky in a stunning show of azure splendor. These locations, which include the cobalt waters of Croatia's Dalmatian coast and the sapphire seas of the Seychelles, provide an unmatched opportunity to immerse oneself in nature's most captivating blue hues. Subscribe now for exclusive access to captivating content and never miss a moment of inspiration.